Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso y salam, welcome to the channel y'all, Chess and Yakshimash. Welcome to part 2 of the Electrolux twin turbo refurb. Today we're going to be putting it together and giving it a polish. I've got Zach here with me to say hello to everybody. The others are inside sleeping, but you wanted to come out with Daddy, didn't you? Okay, so following on from part 1, where I didn't press record to record the whole strip down, I will make sure 100% today that I am recording whilst I put it all back together. So there we go. So what we're going to do now is Zach, you gonna help put it together? You gonna help me? Yes? Okay, let's get it back together. Okay, my little whippersnappers, let's start putting it together.
First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN, take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN, take the hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest and it's hard to open up. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN, take the hot road and hop in. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN, take the hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up, open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
So there we go, we've got it all back together in perfect condition, and it sounds really good, as you've just heard. So now that we have got that sorted, let's just try it. And there we go, that now is all back together. So the next thing I have to do is to polish it. So I'm going to get all my bits and bobs sorted out on here, and we will polish it. I'll do this in fast forward. We have polished it up, and it sounds really, really good. It is clean on the inside, it's clean on the outside. Hang on, there's a smear there of polish. There we go. I think there was just a little bit there stuck in the exit, you know, the vent where it comes out, whatever that's called, because my memory has gone kaput. Right, Electrolux twin turbo. This is the Electrolux Z1010. It does have a bag check indicator on here, so let me get a hose and an extension hose, and let's test it. Okay, so I happen to have a hose here with two wands and an extension tool. Let's plug this in the back. There we go, let's try it, turn it on. It's not bad. The bag check indicator light is coming on. I will put it to the camera now, hang on. So there we go, that is a lot more modern than the other ones with just a little whistle or nothing at all. That actually has a light with a, I assume, just like the Turbo Powers had the air tube or something, I don't know. But yeah, that is looking really, really good. So I do apologize for part one, where the whole disassembly was missing, unfortunately. I made sure that I recorded it this time and the sound and everything, so there we go. This is the Electrolux Twin Turbo Z1010, done, dusted, and ready to go for a demonstration in the near future. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please comment, like, and subscribe for more. Please stay safe, stay inside, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye, y'all.